Hi everybody, I'm Isabella, co-founder and CPO at Gleap. In this brief intro to our survey section, I'd like to show you what you can do with one of our favorite features. This video is all about launching a survey on your website or in your app. Let's get right to it. Hit Create First Survey and start off. To create a survey, you can either choose one of our many templates, or you can create one from scratch. For the purpose of this video, we'll create a custom survey to show you guys all the important features. In the first step, we draft our questions. In this case, we would like to get our users' opinion on the latest feature we introduced. So the first question would be, how easy to use do you find feature number 1? The info text is optional. To show you how it works, let's just add a tell us what you think here. We would like the first question to be a rating from 1 to 5. Therefore, we accordingly choose our question type. Finally, we can choose whether we want this field to be required and whether we want the results to contribute to our global customer satisfaction score, short CSAT. On the right-hand side of the screen, here you can immediately see what the question you're currently working on will eventually look like. In the next step, we can add a second question to our survey. We'd like to know what our users like best about the new feature. For this purpose, let's choose a multiple choice question. We're adding our question here and our choices below. So let's say users could either love our feature 1 because of its usability, its simplicity, or its look. And again, we want this field to be required. Let's add a final question to our survey. This time, we'd like to know how we could improve our tool overall. For this purpose, we choose long text as question type. Here we can add a placeholder text to give users an idea of what we're looking for. And we don't want this field to be obligatory. We're done with our questions now, so we're moving on to options. Here we can set further details concerning our survey. The first tab lets us choose whether we'd like to collect the email addresses of the survey participants. Here we can set our personal thank you message that is displayed after a user completed the survey. We can choose whether we want our survey to be displayed in one page or in steps, and enable the privacy policy check, which we will do for data protection reasons. Gleap then lets you enter the URL to your privacy policy. The final step is choosing an audience. Since this video focuses on online and in-app surveys, we're choosing SDK here. Email surveys are a topic for another demo. In the next step, you can decide whether you want to send your survey to a fixed or a dynamic audience. Fixed means that the survey is only run once and sent to all your existing users who will see your survey on their next session. Future users, however, won't be included in this audience. We want the survey to be triggered by a certain event on our website, which is why we choose a dynamic audience. We want to send our survey to all people who visit our site. So we choose the following settings. All people, and send whenever the event page view is triggered. For this purpose, we want to send it once only, since we're asking users for input on our latest feature. You do, however, also have the opportunity to send the survey continuously, every time the set event is triggered. Now all that's left for us to do is hit launch. That's it. We've just created our first survey. The results of the survey will be shown in your survey dashboard. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this little demo useful. Have fun creating and running surveys with Gleap.